Hello everybody, my name is Alex Merced and I'm a developer advocate here at Dremio. And today what I want to do is just show you how to sign up for a Dremio Cloud account. So what I'm going to do is I'm here on the Getting Started page, and what we want to do here is just use single sign-on. We could sign up with our email, but we could also use one of these single sign-on options. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my Google account. So I'll click on Google so that way we can sign up using my Gmail account. So we will wait on that. Then we will choose which email to use. So I will use my Dremio account. That's going to get us started in the process of signing up. And what we're going to do is first create our organization. I'm just going to use the default name Dremio here and hit Next. And now our organization is being created. And again, basically what's happened is that your organization is made up of different projects that could be made up of the different services here in Dremio. So we have Sonar, the query engine, okay, that will require some setup with your cloud provider such as AWS. And then there's the Arctic catalog, which is just basically a way of cataloging iceberg tables that is going to give you sort of a data as code field, the ability to branch, to merge, and so forth. So basically at this point, my account's set up. All I have to do is now add some projects.